Dear students, welcome to virtual classroom of Municipal Corporation of Greater Mumbai. I am Sri Kumar. The class is for 10th standard students. Subject is mathematics. Let me begin the class.
Quickly going through some of the questions of chapter number 1, linear equation in two variable, and these sums are those sums which have questions which have come in previous year board exams. Hence it is important. It doesn't mean that the same question will come, but questions similar to this one will be appearing in your question paper. Let me get into the first sum. A 3-digit number is equal to 17 times equal to the sum of its digit. Then second condition, if 198 is added to the number, the digits are interchanged. The addition of first and third digit is 1 less than the middle digit. Find the number. By reading the question, we understand that there are three sets of information given. The first set of information is a 3-digit number is equal to 17 times the sum of its digit. That means if the digit is xyz, if you take 17 times of that, the sum of it, that means x plus y plus z, it will be equal to the given digit. That is one condition given. So you got xyz, and x plus y plus z is into 17 will be equal to that. We'll convert this into data now. Second condition is if 198 is added to the number, the digits are interchanged. So we conclude xyz is a number, digits are interchanged, means z, y, x. When it will happen? If you simply add 198 to the digit, xyz plus 198 will become, what will happen? The number will be such that it will be a interchange number, y, z, y, x ho jayega. Then what is the third condition? The addition of first and third digit, that means x and z, is 1 less than the middle digit. That's why I said three sets of informations are given in order to find the number. So let us first of all put the information given. It is given that, let us assume the first condition, let the 3-digit number be x, y, z, as I said, x, y and z. This is a 3-digit number, we assume that. In that case, then according to the condition, first condition, the value of the number is, we are having the order x, y, z. So value we have to convert that into x is in 100th place, y is in 10th place, and z is unit place. So we'll write 100x plus 10y plus z as its value. Now we will go back to the question to write the condition. As per the question, it is given that the 3-digit number, which is 100x plus 10y plus z, is equal to 17 times the sum of its digits. That means 17 into, there is no need of writing into, I am writing it for you, x plus y plus z. If you add the digits of the number and multiply by 17, you will get the value of the given number. But we are not getting the number now. If that is the case, we can simply write 100x plus 10y plus z is equal to 17x plus 17y plus 17z. Just removing the bracket. And if that is the case, we can see that there is x term both sides. The difference is 83 is x. If you 10y and 17y, then it will be a minus 7y, and z and 17z, that means again it will be a difference of minus 17, minus 16, I'm sorry, minus 16, and you get the first equation ready by that. 83x minus 7y minus 16z is equal to 0. Now number obtained by interchanging, that is a second condition. By interchanging, in the sense that the new number will be in the reverse order of x, y, z, that is z, y, x. Correct? And its value we can write. That is what we can do now. So first number is x, y, z. Now the number will be z, y, x. Correct? And if I think of its value will be like 100 z plus 10y, same way, and x. This will be the value of it. That will be the value of the number when digits are interchanged. And a condition is given about adding 198 to this will make it equal to the original digit. So how we will write that? We have to consider that now. It will become equal to the given number when 198 is added to the interchanged. So I have to write that now. That means I will write here 198. Otherwise I will write 100x plus the original one plus 10y plus z plus 198. The sentence is that if 198 is added to the number, then the digits are interchanged. Digits interchange हो गए तो number क्या है? 100z 10y plus x. This is given in the question. 198 is added to the number, the digits are interchanged as per the information. Now if I think of removing the bracket, okay, 100x and 100x and x is there, 10y and 10y will get cancelled, z and 100z is there. So we will deal with that. We can say 99z because the difference and 99x will be equal to 10y will get cancelled. So we will write 198. I am keeping 198 on the right side. That means I should bring that to this side. So naturally 99 is common. It will become z minus x is equal to 2. Right? Z minus x will be equal to 2 because 198 upon 99 is equal to 2. So we got an equation again here, z minus x is equal to 2. By simple substitution over there we could solve it. So 83x minus 7y minus 16z is equal to 0. Another equation is z minus x is equal to 2. This we should keep in mind, otherwise z is equal to x plus 2. Keep this in mind. Here is an equation, here is another equation. Okay. So I need a little more space to solve the sum. We have got an explanation for z. We have got an equation also. I will make space over here. थोड़ा space बनाता हूँ आपको दिखाने के लिए what to do further. Wait please. Okay. Now the question is to find the number. One more condition is given that we have to apply here. Now what we will think, we got an explanation for z, we can derive that of x from that, and we also got an equation at the beginning, and now we will think about the condition given, third condition given, addition of first and third digit is 1 less than middle digit. So let us think about the digits x, y, z जो आपने originally सोचा था, right? So we will think about the original number which is considered by us first, and to check that how much right, how can we express it. This is the first digit, second digit, third digit. So we have to add x plus z. X plus z. 1 less than y is bigger. 1 less than y is equal. So y minus 1 is equal to x plus z. Okay. So in that case, we know that z is equal to x plus 2. So we are substituting x plus 2 over there and we get the another equation. Z की जगह पे x plus 2 डाल दिया. So we got x plus z is equal to y minus 1. Then y can be written as 2x plus 3. Correct? So we are getting third equation here. Y is equal to 2x plus 3. So we will substitute y in the equation. 83x, the first equation, and 7y के जगह पे 7 into 2x plus 3, and we know that, get right about z now. Z का equation हमने लिखा था, z is equal to x plus 2. So now what happened? The whole equation became in terms of x. Whole equation become all in x terms, right? Now it will be easy because only one term is there, x, in terms of x it is. So let us solve it. 83x, and that will become 14x and 21, then 16x minus 16 into 2, 32. So okay, we will solve it again. 83, 16 and 14, 16, 20, 30, 50, 30 and 83, that means 53x, that x business is over, and we are having 53 in the remaining. That means x is equal to something interesting. 53x is equal to 53. That means x is equal to 1. That is x. If you know x, you can get y now. You can get z also from the previous equations. Again, space problem on the screen. I have to remove some other area of this in order to show you. You can substitute the value of x and get the answer. Let me find some space here. Okay, let me remove this. We are trying to substitute the value of x we have obtained. We'll substitute that. That means we know that there are many ways. I am thinking y is equal to 2x plus 3. We will take that equation from here. It is one of the easiest. 2x plus 3, that means 2 into 1 plus 3, that means 2 plus 3, y became 5. That y we got now. Now we will think about substituting the value of y also. Z can be calculated x plus 2, that means 1 plus 2, which is equal to 3. We got x, y, z, right? If I got x, y, z, you write down the digit x, y, z. That is a digit x, y, z. X is equal to 1, y is equal to 5 and z is equal to 3. So the number is x, y, z 1, 5, 3. You can check whether it satisfies the condition given in the question, right? You can check it. The difference between first and last digit and center one is 1. That much easily can be obtained. You can take 17 times of the 5 plus 1, 6 plus 3, 9. 9 into 17 is 153, so that is true. And second condition is 198 is added. It will become, the number will become interchanged. That means it will become 351. 198 add give to 351. And the third condition is also clear. So linear equation with substitution method help us to solve the problem. That is what you have to understand. This type of sum can come in the exam. Be prepared and ready for it. Here is a question on simultaneous equation can be solved through graph. I am copying the details. It is given that for x plus 3y is equal to 24, for x minus 3y is equal to minus 24, and for x plus 3y is equal to 24. We will convert that in terms of y is equal to 24 minus 4x upon 3. And in the other equation, for x minus 3y is equal to minus 24, we will have 4x and 3y. Okay, minus 24 for x minus 3y, we will write what y minus 3x upon minus 3 over there. Now this negative sign can be removed by multiplying with minus 1. Y is equal to 24 plus 4x upon 3. So we have got two equations for y, so we will make it into a table, x, y and x comma o. So we got the value of y, we got the value of x, and we will put it into a graphical table to solve it. So we will write about we'll think about x and y values for both the equations. First we will consider y is equal to 2x 24 minus 4x upon 3. So we will make an equation for that, a table for that. So let me start with the table where we will be doing that of y is equal to 24 minus 4x upon 24 plus 4x upon 3, 24 minus 4x upon 3. So we need two tables for solving the sum. There are two equations. Okay, tables are ready. Okay, let me insert the value of x and y and get the corresponding y in the next row. X and y, I will put x, y, x comma y. If the value of x is will be put into that, what first equation, second equation, two different table. So I will put the value of x and y so that you will get an idea. In that case, as far as x is concerned, let me write the value in the order 0. In that case, if I put 0 over there, y will become, that will become 0, and 24 upon 3, which is equal to 8. Okay, 0 and 8 are x and y axis. If x is equal to 0 and condition of 3, 4, you will be having 3 and 4. In the case of 3 it is. In the case of x 6, if you substitute 24 minus 24 is equal to 0, so naturally you will be having 0 there, and 6 and 0 are the points on graph. If you consider about the other equation 24 plus 4x upon 3, you will have the same over there, x and y axis. And if I put the value of x as 0, so 24 plus 0, it will become 24 upon 3, 8. That's very easy. Put the value minus 3 over there. 4 into minus 3 is equal to minus 12, 24 minus 12, 12, and divided by 3 is equal to 4. So 3 and 4, minus 3 and 4 are the alphabets. 6, it will be, minus 6 will be having 0. Right. So this way we got the value for plotting the graph. We are draw the graph representing the equation 4x plus 3y equal 24, 3y plus 4x plus 24. This is the graph paper. We have to simply substitute the value in the graph paper. Let me mark the point and draw the line connected to the point. Please cooperate with me. I am going slow, I know. Let me mark it on the graph. Marking it on the graph, first is 0 and 8 on y-axis, 0 on the x-axis. So naturally the point will be here. Yes, it will be here. And second one is 3 and 4. Second one is 3 and 4. 3 on x-axis, right side, and 4 on y-axis, upper. Okay, I will mark it here. Then we are having 6 and 0, 6 on x-axis, again to the right, 0 means there only. So we got 3 points for the first data. I have to connect these 3 points first. Yes, it comes in a line. Let us plot the second set of data on the graph. The second set of graph data is given on x and y, 0 and 8. 0 on x and 8 on y-axis. It is marked the same point, earlier marked also. Then second one is minus 3 and 4. So this is a point. I'm going a little fast now. Minus 3 and 4. Then next one is minus 6 and 0. Minus 6 means negative 6 will be on x-axis on left side, and 0 means we understand that y-axis is 0 and x-axis minus 6. So it will be on the same line. You will mark at minus 6 only. We got all the 3 points here. Now we have to join these 3 points to form the graph line. Okay. Yes. There is also a line. A triangle is formed. The area of the triangle is asked. For that we should know the base and height of it. In units we can say what is the length of the base, and height is a perpendicular. Naturally we can calculate the area by half base into height. For that I need to collect the information. Before that, let me mark. In the graph we should write which graph it is. 4x plus 3y is equal to 24, the first case. Oh, I cannot write over there. I will change. I will make it small. 1 second. Let me erase it. I'll make it little small so that it can fit over there. 4x plus 3y is equal to 24, and the second one is 3y is equal to 4x plus 24. That is the second one. That means we could plot the graph and they meet at a point. From the graph we get an idea that the base is having 6 plus 6, 12, and height is 8. 8 units we can say, 8 units height, and the base is 12 units. Okay, so we can calculate by the formula of triangle. Area of triangle is graph base into height. Base is here 12 units, height is 8 units. So 96 units. 96 upon 2, which is equal to 48. 96 upon 2, 48 square units. Okay, so this is the area of the triangle. Dear students, some more question will be done in the next video. It was simple and sample taken from your previous question paper, just for making you feel that this kind of questions comes in the exam. The concept used over here is very important. It is regarding graphical presentation of or graphical method of solving linear equation in two variable. To find the solution of a pair of linear equation, we could find out the solution for it. Okay, that concept is applied here. Thank you. Now click on the subscription button below to subscribe the channel, then the bell button to get the notifications of the new videos. Thank you.